Hello friends, welcome to Om Sai Cooking Classes, and this is Chef Seema Gavare Patil from Nasik. So today I have launched a very amazing course, and it's a course of chocolate making. In this course I will teach you the right technique of making variety of chocolate, how to create variety of filling, how to wrap them, how to put sticker, everything. So after learning this course, even you can sell them at market. We have more than 275 plus online courses which we have designed in such a way that after joining our any online course you can start your small business from home, or even you can make all the recipe for home purpose also. And beside this chocolate making course, we have many more courses in chocolate like chocolate truffle, chocolate fudge, chocolate mithai, Florentine chocolate, crispy chocolate, then we have dry fruit bar chocolate, chocolate bouquet is there, Dubai viral chocolate classes, there are so many courses are there. So please check our description box. I have given you the contact number, contact on that number, collect the menu card and then decide which course you want to join, because we have so many courses. Even we have our own app, Om Sai Cooking Classes. So please download our app from Play Store, and even you can buy classes from app also. Okay, when you join our any online course, you will get recipe PDF, video for lifetime access. You will get the certificate, and suppose if you are having any doubt, you can contact us and solve your all queries. So in this way you can join our any online course anytime, any place, from anywhere. And in this course I will show you variety of Diwali cracker chocolate also, so that after learning this cracker chocolate you can create a hamper for Diwali purpose. I will show you variety of bars, then even Christmas themed chocolate. So in this course you are going to learn variety of filling, variety of chocolate, packaging, hamper, everything. How to make hamper also I will show you. Okay, this is one of the gift hamper. So if you love to join our online class, or if you like our online class, so please subscribe our channel. Every week we announces new course, so please subscribe our channel so that you will get the notification. So see you next week with a new course, but before that do like, share, subscribe to our channel.